This is my first Sunday on my new life with my best friend. Yes. And then we are going to her home again. Say hello for everyone. Just only her, no need for everyone. Why? Nothing. She is a bit conciliated. Or someone else. No. And we are going to Yulong to stay and take some rest for her. Maybe cooking something like this, something like that. But much exciting now because I'm together with her. Unlike before that I will stay there by myself being alone.